Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Coinbase wallet. First, download the Coinbase wallet application to your mobile device from your App Store. Once installed, open the app and either create a new wallet or import an existing one using your recovery phrase. It's crucial to back up your recovery phrase immediately and store it in a secure, offline location. This phrase is your only way to recover your funds if you lose access to your device. Now, let's link your wallet to a decentralized application. Open your web browser and go to the D app you want to interact with. On the D app's website, locate and click the Connect Wallet or Connect button, usually found in the top right corner. A list of wallet options will appear. Choose Coinbase Wallet to proceed with the connection process. After selecting Coinbase Wallet, a prompt will appear on your mobile device within the Coinbase Wallet app. This prompt asks you to approve the connection. Carefully review the permissions the D app is requesting, such as viewing your address or suggesting transactions. If everything looks correct and trustworthy, confirm the connection to securely link your wallet to the D app. When you're done using a D app, it's a good practice to disconnect your wallet. You can usually do this from the D apps interface or within your Coinbase wallet settings under Connected D apps. Always be vigilant about security, never share your recovery phrase with anyone, and be wary of suspicious links. Regularly check your connected sites to ensure only trusted applications have access.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.